Good afternoon, guys. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes, and our contact number is 76967342256. I am recording a very simple question, but a very tricky one. Please understand that is how OET exam will play with you. Please listen to this recording 2-3 times. Even if you understand this question in one time, still listen to this recording 2-3 times so that I can take this information to your subconscious mind. All of the following are true except, so the basic thing is that I have to find an option which is false, because all of the following are true except means only one statement is false, so I have to find a statement which is false. The first trick is this: in exam when you will have a question like this, you will forget कि ट्रू ढूंढना था क्या false, तो प्लीज मेंशन इट false. हमेशा यहाँ पे लिखो false, हमेशा लिखो false ऑप्शन ढूंढना है. So now I will read the topic. It's a very tricky one. I will read it for you. At present, organizers and of the trial and collaborators are entering 700 patients a month. Entering is not a very good word. We could have said are taking or are allowing. So there are 700 patients which are being allowed by organizers and collaborators. So that is why it is an active voice. Organizers and collaborators are entering. That means they are allowing 700 patients a month for the trial. So far, nearly 9,000 patients have been randomized. This is a passive voice. That means 9,000 patients have gone through this trial. This is a present perfect tense passive voice. Like in OET writing, in today's visit, we use it. Today, the patient has been diagnosed with. So this is the same tense. Today the patient has been diagnosed with means patient को diagnose कर चुके हैं. In the way, so far nearly 9,000 patients हो चुके हैं, have been randomized. The trials organizers believe that if 20,000 patients can be randomized, they will have enough data to access the treatments reliably. That means to access the data or treatment reliably, 9,000 patients, 20,000 patients are required. And note before time, this is the main trick. This is where English plays up with you in exam. If I would have been having this exam, it would have hardly taken a second. Lekin I am teaching you, that is why it's taking time. They will have enough data to access the treatments reliably and not before time. That means they will not be able to accomplish this thing at time. Not before time means that this cannot be done before time, means time will always be a problem. It will never be accomplished before time, never before time. So this is the main trick. This is English. The first trial of the streptokinase was conducted some 20 years ago. So I have got all the information. Now I will match. The number of the patients being entered into the trial is increasing each month. It is never saying whether the patients are increasing or decreasing. So this surely is false. It does not say patient is increasing or decreasing. There is no word such as increase or decrease. So A option should be my answer. The trial organizers are not yet ready to access the data. Obviously, they will never be able to do that in time. So they are not ready. I think it is okay. Since the beginning of the trial, almost 9,000 patients have been involved. So far nearly, yes, so far nearly means since the beginning of the trial, so far nearly have been randomized, ho chuke hain, almost 9,000. So obviously the answer should be A. I don't have any confusion. I will unmute you and will try to take the answer. So could you please tell me what is the answer? I have unmuted you guys.
Sir, A.
A is the
So
answer.
it was a very simple question. आप में से जिसका भी क्वेश्चन था, आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं कि आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम आई थी इसमें. एक प्रॉब्लम तो ये भी हो सकती है, हम करते करते यही भूल गए होंगे कि हमें फॉल्स ढूंढना है. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू एक्सेप्ट, यानी एक स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है, हमें वो ढूंढनी है, इसीलिए आपको यहाँ पे फॉल्स लिख देना चाहिए. तो फिर आपके लिए इजी हो जाता. 9,000 पेशेंट्स हैव बीन इन्वॉल्व्ड, हैव बीन रैंडमाइज्ड, दोनों के टेंस सेम थे. द ट्रायल ऑर्गेनाइजर्स आर नॉट गेट रेडी, यस दे आर नॉट रेडी and they will not be ready even before time. So this was the main word. So this is how you do OET reading. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes. Please listen to this recording 2 times. I know you all have understood. Please listen to it again to take it to your subconscious mind. Thank you.